Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about a terrific letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter T. T is the 20th letter of the alphabet, and it starts so many terrific words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet T. A tiger is a big, strong animal with orange fur and black stripes. Tigers live in the jungle and are very good at climbing trees and swimming. They have sharp teeth and claws that help them catch their food. Tigers are the largest cats in the world and are known for their beautiful, striped coats. They are very powerful and can roar loudly to let others know they are nearby. Even though they are wild and live in forests, tigers need our help to stay safe and protected. A turtle is a gentle animal with a hard, protective shell on its back. This shell helps keep the turtle safe from danger. Turtles can live in water, like oceans and ponds, or on land. They move slowly and use their strong legs to walk or swim. Turtles have a long life and can live for many years. They eat plants, insects, and small animals, depending on where they live. When they feel scared, turtles can hide inside their shells to stay safe. Turtles are interesting animals with unique homes and habits. A toucan is a colorful bird with a big, curved beak. It lives in tropical forests and is known for its bright feathers, which can be yellow, orange, red, and black. The toucan's beak is not just for eating, it helps the bird reach fruits and insects high in trees. Toucans are great at hopping from branch to branch and can make loud, funny sounds. They often live in groups called flocks, and their vibrant colors help them stand out in the green rainforest. Toucans are fun to watch and very friendly in their forest homes. A turkey is a large bird with a big, colorful tail that fans out like a feathered fan. Turkeys are known for their gobbling sound, which they make to talk to each other. They have a wobbly, red piece of skin on their neck called a wattle. Turkeys like to walk around on the ground, pecking at insects and seeds to eat. They are often seen around farms and are famous for being part of big holiday meals. Turkeys can be found in forests and grasslands and are fun to watch as they strut around and flap their wings. A table is a flat surface with 4 legs that stands on the floor. You use it to put things on, like your lunch, toys, or books. Tables come in different sizes and shapes, like round, square, or rectangular. You can find tables in many places, like the kitchen, classroom, or living room. Some tables have drawers or shelves underneath to store items. When you sit at a table, you usually sit on a chair. Tables help us organize and keep our things handy. They are very useful in our homes and schools. A television, or TV, is a special screen that shows moving pictures and sounds. It helps you watch your favorite shows, movies, and cartoons. A TV can be big or small and usually sits on a stand or wall. You use a remote control to change channels, adjust the volume, or turn it on and off. TVs are often found in living rooms or bedrooms. They bring stories and news from all around the world right into your home. Watching TV can be fun, but remember to balance it with other activities like playing outside or reading books. A toaster is a small kitchen appliance that turns slices of bread into crispy toast. You put the bread into the toaster slots, push down the lever, and the toaster heats up the bread. It gets hot inside and turns the bread brown. When it's done, the toaster pops the toast up so you can easily take it out. Toasters can be used to make breakfast or snacks, and you can add butter, jam, or even cheese on your toast. Remember to be careful around the toaster because it gets very hot. A trash can is a container where you put things you no longer need or want. It helps keep your room or house clean by collecting garbage like paper, food scraps, and old things. Trash cans come in different sizes and shapes, and they often have a lid to keep smells inside and prevent animals from getting into the trash. When the trash can gets full, you take the trash out and put it in a bigger container or a garbage truck that takes it away. Remember to throw away your trash properly and recycle when you can. A towel is a soft, fluffy piece of cloth used to dry yourself after a bath or swim. It comes in different colors and sizes. When you get out of the water, you use the towel to rub your body and hair to get rid of the water. Towels are very absorbent, which means they can soak up a lot of water. You can also use towels to clean spills or dry dishes. After using a towel, you hang it up so it can dry and be ready for next time. Towels help keep you warm and dry. A tissue is a soft, thin piece of paper that we use to clean or wipe things. It's gentle on our skin and is often used when we have a runny nose or need to wipe our face. Tissues come in a box and are usually found in the bathroom, living room, or in your pocket. You can use a tissue to clean up small spills or to blow your nose. After using it, you can throw it in the trash. Tissues help keep things clean and are very handy for everyday needs. A teapot is a special kind of pot used to make tea. It's usually made of ceramic, metal, or glass. The teapot has a handle to hold, a spout to pour the tea, and a lid to keep the tea hot. To use a teapot, you put tea leaves or tea bags inside, add hot water, and let it steep for a few minutes. Then, you pour the tea into cups through the spout. Teapots come in many shapes and colors and are used at home or in tea parties to serve warm, tasty tea to friends and family. A timer is a useful tool that helps you keep track of time. It usually has a dial or digital display that counts down from a set amount of time. You can use a timer to time things like cooking, studying, or playing games. When the time is up, the timer will make a sound to let you know. This helps you know when it's time to stop and do something else. Timers can be small and sit on a table or even be built into your phone or kitchen appliances. They help you stay organized and manage your time better. A telephone is a special device that lets people talk to each other from far away. It has buttons or a touch screen where you can dial numbers to call someone. When someone answers, you can hear their voice through the speaker. The telephone is connected to a network that helps send your voice to the person you are calling. There are also mobile phones, which are smaller and can be used almost anywhere. They can even send messages, take pictures, and play games. Telephones are very important for staying in touch with friends and family. A toothbrush is a tool used to keep our teeth clean and healthy. It has a long handle and a head with lots of tiny, soft bristles. You put toothpaste on the bristles and use the toothbrush to brush your teeth. You move it back and forth to remove food and germs. Brushing your teeth with a toothbrush helps to keep your smile bright and your breath fresh. It's important to brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Remember to use your toothbrush gently and always rinse it after brushing. Toothpaste is a special gel that helps us clean our teeth. It comes in a small tube and is usually minty, which makes your mouth feel fresh. You squeeze a little bit of toothpaste onto your toothbrush before you brush your teeth. The toothpaste helps to remove germs and food from your teeth, making them shiny and strong. It also helps to keep your breath smelling good. Toothpaste has special ingredients that protect your teeth from getting cavities. Remember, a small amount is all you need, and brushing your teeth with toothpaste is an important part of keeping your smile healthy. A toilet is a special seat we use to go to the bathroom. It has a lid that you lift up when you need to use it. When you're done, you push a handle or button to flush, and the toilet helps clean up everything by sending it away through pipes. Toilets are very important because they help keep us clean and comfortable. They come in different shapes and sizes, but they all have the same job: to help us stay healthy by washing away waste. Remember to always wash your hands with soap after using the toilet. Tweezers are small tools that look like a pair of scissors but with two narrow arms. They help us pick up tiny things or take out little items, like a splinter or a piece of paper. To use tweezers, you squeeze the two ends together, and the tips come close to each other. This lets you grab small objects easily. Tweezers are very handy for crafting, fixing things, or even in the kitchen. Remember to use them carefully and always ask an adult for help if you need to use them. A tomato is a red or sometimes yellow fruit that we often eat in salads, sandwiches, and sauces. It is round and can be small like a cherry or bigger like a beefsteak. Inside, tomatoes are juicy and have many small seeds. They grow on a plant and are picked when they are ripe and red. Tomatoes are not only tasty but also very healthy. They help us stay strong because they have vitamins and other good things for our body. So next time you eat a tomato, you are enjoying a yummy and nutritious treat. A turnip is a round, white or purple root vegetable that grows under the ground. It has a smooth, slightly waxy skin and a crunchy, white inside. Turnips have a slightly peppery taste and can be eaten cooked or raw. They are often used in soups, stews, or mashed like potatoes. Turnips are good for you because they are full of vitamins and minerals that help keep your body strong. You can find them in gardens and grocery stores. Eating turnips is a tasty way to add some healthy variety to your meals. Tamarind is a special fruit that grows in a brown, curved shell. Inside, it has a sticky, sweet, and tangy pulp. It looks like a brown bean pod and has a strong, unique flavor. People use tamarind in many dishes, like sauces, soups, and even sweets. It can be sour and sweet, and it adds a special taste to food. Tamarind is also very healthy and has lots of vitamins and minerals. You might find it in a candy, juice, or spice mix. It's a fun fruit to explore and try in different foods. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice that comes from the root of a plant. It looks like a small, wrinkled piece of orange ginger. People grind turmeric into a powder to add color and flavor to food, like curries and soups. Turmeric is not only tasty but also has special health benefits. It's often used in cooking and sometimes in medicines. When you see yellow food, it might be because of turmeric. It's a fun spice to learn about and try in different dishes. A t-shirt is a simple, comfy piece of clothing that you wear on your upper body. It has short sleeves and a round neck. T-shirts come in many colors and designs, and you can wear them for casual activities like playing, going to school, or hanging out with friends. They are usually made of soft cotton, which feels nice on your skin. T-shirts can have pictures or words on them, making them fun and personal. They're easy to put on and take off, and they help keep you cool in warm weather. A tank top is a sleeveless shirt that you wear on your upper body. It has no sleeves and usually a scoop or crew neckline. Tank tops are great for staying cool in hot weather because they allow your arms to be free and your body to stay cool. They come in many colors and patterns, so you can choose one that you like best. Tank tops are perfect for playing, running, or just relaxing. They're also easy to wear with shorts or jeans. Whether you are at the park or at home, a tank top helps keep you comfortable and stylish. A turtleneck is a type of shirt that has a high, rolled collar that covers your neck. This collar is usually made from soft, stretchy fabric that can be folded down or rolled up to keep you warm. Turtlenecks are great for cold weather because they help keep your neck cozy and protected. They can be worn with pants, skirts, or even under a jacket. Turtlenecks come in many colors and patterns, so you can find one that you like. They are a comfy and stylish choice for staying warm and looking good in the winter.